Oh my god. Mini idlis, peanut chutney, because my arms just could not do it. So basically, I have a chicken breast, mashed potatoes. There's do your best and then forget the rest.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
Good morning. It is 6:45 and I could have slept more, but I have slept fine. I feel okay. I don't feel bad. Yeah, I have to stop taking my laptop to the bed because I was watching the match yesterday and I just couldn't, yeah, stop watching. Anyway, so I went to bed at around 10:30. uh, but I don't know, I was too busy second half of yesterday that I don't know, I was quite worked up even at 10:30. I think I just needed time to cool down a little bit, and then I think I slept, I don't know, it took me a good hour to actually fall asleep. I think I have slept more than 6 hours. I wanted to sleep more, but then today's a Monday. Yeah, I would be off routine. I don't want to do that. So, having my protein coffee and cream cheese toast. I somehow am obsessed with cream cheese now. So, yeah, I'm basically neglecting my avocados. I should probably check on them. Yeah, they're otherwise they're gonna go bad. Anyway, yeah, so I will have my toast and coffee and then get to my workout in some time.
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. So many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over. Just tell me, mama, I'm trying to keep it in sober, sober, sober. Oh, simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one.
Just finished the workout. Today was arms and shoulders, and oh my god, it is quick and effective, like she said at the very start. And I feel it. I feel it. Believe me when I say that, even holding this camera is a workout right now. Like my arms are just, I feel like I'm not going to be able to lift anything today, but that's how good the workout was. And she said one thing and I feel like I'm just going to wake up every day and going to just tell myself that she said do your best and then forget the rest. Like that's what I'm going to do. I did my best. Yeah. Today's workout, the exercises that were there, I was comfortable, not comfortable, but I was trying to push, but I did that using a 3 kg dumbbell. Usually whenever the exercises are lower, for example like deadlift or squats, then I'm able to lift heavier. But all the exercises today that we did, there I tried pushing. Otherwise I would use my 1 kg dumbbells earlier, so I feel like using a 3 kg dumbbell for skull crushers and all of that, I feel like that's an improvement. So I tried doing all of that with 3 kg dumbbells. For 1 or 2 exercises I think in the repetition I had to switch to 1 kg because my arms just could not do it. But good workout, really happy, and let's get on with our day. It is 9:49 and I want to leave in some time, so in the next 10-15 minutes. So I thought I'll have my breakfast now. I just got ready, and also I took creatine some time ago, just 5-10 minutes ago, because I just wanted to save some time, so I just had it earlier. And I am taking my overnight chia pudding, which was meal prepped with kiwi today. So I will have this as breakfast, and I'm also packing my lunch. So coconut water, because sometimes I like to drink it as soon as I reach office, and also sometimes I drink half of it with my lunch if I feel like it's dry or if I need something to drink. An orange to snack on, and I have mini idlis, peanut chutney, and sambar. So it's thick. I don't like my dal in general to be watery, so my dal and sambar, whenever I'm making, it's a little thick, but this turned out to be even more thick, so not an issue. I'm going to reheat this and eat it in office as lunch, and I will see you in the evening. It is 8:24 and I am just about to have my dinner, so I thought I'll show you. Basically, I am hungry from quite a while, but basically I order chicken at the last moment possible, so that it is as fresh as it can be. But it got delivered late, so basically that's how it got delayed. But I wanted to have, my dinner an hour ago, but now my dinner is ready. So basically I have a chicken breast, mashed potatoes, there's sauteed vegetables. So in vegetables I have red capsicum, yellow capsicum, there's baby corn, peas, zucchini, and some just salt and black pepper, nothing else. For mashed potato, I boiled potatoes and then I just added whatever I had. So I had coconut milk, I added that. I usually don't keep milk handy, I don't like milk, but for mashed potatoes, last time I made it without milk, so it was a bit chunky, so I wanted it to be a bit smoother this time. So I added coconut milk, I added some butter, and I also added cheese and some dhania, because why not. So, and there's some salt, and I think I also put black pepper, but this tasted really good. I tasted it once it was done and it tastes amazing, so that's fun. And for chicken, this is the marination that I used, because it was already late, so I didn't want to think about anything. So I used this killer pre-made marination masala, which is dhania, mirchi or wo. Okay, interesting. So this is the marination that I used. And for dip, I have a yogurt dip. Basically this is an experiment, because this is just yogurt, and since I had an amazing dinner, I think a day before yesterday, night before yesterday, so the meal was gochujang chicken meal. So I basically ordered gochujang sauce, because I wanted to try something, like I wanted to see how I can replicate. But I feel like I tasted this right now, it does not taste the same. Like I just added directly this into yogurt to just see like what we are dealing with here. But it is a little bit spicy, but it's not exactly the same. I feel like the chicken marination was gochujang, maybe the spices, because it was spicy, but like the sauce on the side was a mix of everything, which like kind of like brought the meal together. Like that's what was amazing. Like I liked vegetables, like steamed vegetables with that. So I think that is something that I want to work on, but as of now this is what we are going to have to work with. So I'm going to have this, and that will be all for today. I had a busy day, and that's all. I will see you tomorrow.